Mom, your credit card is suspended. What? No way. I'm sorry, ma'am. It seems there's an issue with your credit card. Do you have any other form of payment like bills? Can I use Visa? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you for coming. Please come again.
Mom, here's your order. Thank you. Excuse me, miss. Lagi ako pupunta sa coffee shop na to. Dapat next time, bigyan niyo ang discount.
Ma'am, hindi po kami nagbibigay ng discount regardless kung palagi po kayo dito.
Hindi pwede yan.
Ma'am, we appreciate that you as a repeat customer, but hindi po kami nagbibigay ng discount. So, okay na po, but magbigay na po kami ng complimentary repairs.
Yes. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Presenting your bill box. Your total is 1,300. 1,300? Ma'am, wait a minute. What? You have to settle your bill or I will call the police. What? We understand these things happen, so would you be able to provide another form of payment? Perhaps GCash, or you can leave your ID here. Okay, thank you.
Why? Bakit?
Excuse me. Yes, ma'am. Maganda yung lang ng class of panis. Oh, sorry for
Oh, case ba?
Hindi ko na video na
Ano
order
ba?
ko. How dare you say that? Hindi lang kita naiintindihan. You're not supposed to say that. Call your manager.
I'm sorry, what's happening here? Kasi kulang ng panis yung pagkain yun. Oh, I'm sorry for what happened. I apologize for the mistake, ha? If it's okay with you, I will just replace it. Okay.